Welcome everyone to day 4.2 of biology. We've got photosynthesis reading comprehension today. There's not going to be any slides, no lecture today. Instead, what I'm going to do is give you the class time to work on these reading comprehension assignments. Like I mentioned before earlier in the year, we are trying to increase our reading comprehension in the science department. So this is a great opportunity for us to practice that. There are 3 really short assignments that I want you to do throughout class today, and those can be found on today's agenda in Bio 4.2. So if you go to the modules, find Bio 4.2 and go to the agenda, all of those are linked there. In the modules, it's also listed right underneath the agenda for today. You can see all 3 of these assignments. I'm going to show you what one of these assignments looks like. We're going to click on reading number 1 for leaves and photosynthesis. On my end on a desktop, it looks like this, where you have the objectives, assignment details, and the submission. And then there's this gray button over here. I'm not sure what color it's going to be on an iPad. I think it's going to be a little bit different, but there should be a button down here where it says load the reading in a new window. So you would click on that, and then it would take you to a website, CK12. We've done one of these before, so this shouldn't look too unfamiliar. On my end, again, this might look a little bit different. I'm going to click on preview assignment here. And it's going to look basically like this, where you have your reading and all your content here and some figures. And it's not a lot of reading. It's maybe like a page or 2. And then there is a YouTube video that you are welcome to watch in class if you have your AirPods. If you don't have your AirPods, then I would encourage you to watch this on your own time later. Another thing, if you really want to watch this in class on a quiet volume so that you're not disturbing others, or one thing you could do is just mute it and then turn on closed captioning, and then that kind of gives you the idea for what the content is being played in the video. After that, there should be a summary and then a review, and then there should be also a green button. On my end it's green, where it says view practice. You'll click on that, and then you want to preview the assignment, and then it will ask you a series of questions that you have to get correct in order to get credit. When you are done answering your question, it is very important for you to click the submit button. There should be a yellow submit button somewhere on the page, and then that will actually submit the assignment for you so that you don't actually have to physically turn in anything from PDF Expert or anything like that. Completing the quiz in CK12 is going to be the submission for this assignment once you click submit. There are 3 of these assignments. There's a reading 1 on leaves and photosynthesis. Reading 2 is just going to be more photosynthesis, and then reading 3 is going to be something called the Calvin cycle, which we really haven't talked much about, but this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for you to get a little bit more knowledge on how different types of plants use different types of reactions to continue to make glucose. So go ahead and work on these assignments today. This should take you the majority of class time, but if you work diligently, you should be able to complete all 3 of these assignments in class today.